case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Richardson v. Marsh, which focused on a defendant's right to confront witnesses against them, including the right to cross-examine witnesses. The case involved 3 defendants, Clarissa Marsh, Benjamin Williams, and Kareem Martin, who were accused of assaulting and murdering 2 individuals. At the trial, the state presented a confession from Williams, which did not implicate Marsh or Martin. The main question in the case was whether admitting the confession violated the Confrontation Clause and whether it required the same result as in Bruton v. United States. The Bruton exception allows for the exclusion of a co-defendant's confession that incriminates another defendant if the confession is facially incriminating and can be redacted. However, the exception does not apply if the confession is not facially incriminating but becomes so when linked with evidence introduced later at trial. The court ultimately ruled that admitting a non-testifying co-defendant's confession with a proper limiting instruction that redacts any reference to the defendant does not violate the Confrontation Clause. However, if the prosecutor urges the jury to use the co-defendant's confession without an objection from the defendant, it could be grounds for a writ of habeas corpus. The Court of Appeals decision was overturned, and the case was remanded for further proceedings consistent with the Supreme Court's ruling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.